Hello and welcome to my class. In today's video, we are going to look at some fractions, equations having fractions, and here we will have a look at some different kind of equations. This equation has two fractions on the same side. You can see this is fraction 1 and this is fraction 2. So how to solve such fractions? This takes a fair bit of skill and a lot of confidence. So let us try to understand. Occasionally in maths we have to make things really messy to get them looking better. We will take this one step at a time, and what we are going to do, multiply both sides by 2 to remove the first fraction. See, in the first fraction the denominator is 2, so first we will multiply by 2 both sides. 2 is in the denominator, so what does that mean? It means the fraction 5x minus 3 numerator is being divided by 2. So we have to follow inverse operations, therefore we are multiplying by 2. So next step would be, remember we are multiplying the entire side, so both fractions must be multiplied by 2. So fraction 1 is multiplied by 2 and this is fraction 2, that is also multiplied by 2, and right hand side will also be multiplied by 2. I am pretty sure you are aware of this property. Then moving to next step, this 2 and these 2 gets cancelled. You are left with 5x minus 3 here, and here it is 2, so you will multiply the numerator x plus 7 by 2, so that gives you 2x plus 14 divided by 3, and right hand side 15 times 2 gives you 30. Now we need to remove the other fraction. So other fraction, you can see here in the denominator is 3, so we will multiply both sides by 3. In the left hand side is multiplied by 3 and right hand side is also multiplied by 3. And then remember we are multiplying the entire side, so all the terms are multiplied by 3. This is a thumb rule. You have to, when outside the bracket there is any number, that each and every number is multiplied by all the terms inside the bracket. So 3 times 5x, you can see here, 3 times 3, as sign is negative, so here it is a negative type. Then here it is positive, so positive. 3 times 2x plus 14. So now here in the last step, 3 and 3 will get cancelled. That we will see in the next step. And here it is also multiplied by 3, so 30 times 3. In the next step, this and this will get cancelled. So you can see 5 times 3 is 15x. Minus 3 and 3 is minus 9. And this and 3, this gets cancelled. So you are left with 2x plus 40. So that is written here, 2x plus 40. And this side it is 90. On further solving, 15 to 17x plus 14 minus 9 is plus 5 equal to 90. So 17x plus 5 is 90. What should be the next step? Now here it is plus 5 and we have to get rid of all the terms, numbers on the left hand side. So we will first subtract 5 both sides. See here, negative 5, negative 5. So subtract 5 from both sides. Next, you will find this and this will get cancelled. So 17x is equal to 90 minus 5. That gives you 85. So 17x is 85. What should be the next step? You had to get rid of 17, which is multiplied by x. So both sides is to be divided by 17. So that 17 and 17 gets cancelled. Divide both sides by 17. 17 and 17 will get cancelled. 85 by 17 is 5. So final answer is x equal to 5. I hope all these steps were clear, because you will be given similar questions to solve. So let me summarize. First, we removed this 2 by multiplying the entire fraction in the left hand side by 2. And then we removed this 3 by multiplying this again by 3. And for further simplification, we got the result. I hope my explanation was clear. In the next video, I will be solving a few questions and then giving you some questions for homework.